What if you lose your Medicare card and need a new one? Coming up next, we'll show you how to request a replacement Medicare card, as well as the steps to print a copy on demand. Hi, I'm Andy Stamis, founder of Medicare Mindset. Sometimes we lose things, and occasionally it's something really important like a Medicare card. But that's okay. You can still request a new card online and print a copy too. Here's how you do it. To request a new Medicare card, you need to log in to your My Social Security online account at socialsecurity.gov or ssa.gov. Once you're in, look at the right side navigation bar and click on Replacement Documents. This is where you can request several things: a replacement Social Security card, Medicare card, and your Form SSA 1099 for tax planning. To get a new Medicare card, click on Mail My Replacement Medicare Card in the Medicare Cards section. So as you can see, it's pretty easy once you get logged in. But what if you just want to print a copy on the fly? You can do this, but you'll need to log into your online account at medicare.gov, which is an entirely different website. After logging in, you'll arrive at your home page. On the right side, you'll see a section in yellow titled Your Medicare Card. Just below, it says View or Print Your Medicare Card. Go ahead and click this link. The system will then prompt you to re-enter your online login password for security purposes. After you click the blue Continue button, it will take you to a page where you can see the front and back of your Medicare card. You can then print the card or even save it as a PDF document. The Social Security and Medicare websites continue to improve each year. It's a little fragmented having to log into two different accounts for similar things, so we recommend you create an online account for both Social Security and Medicare. Please be sure to check out our other how-tos and video resources. Thank you.